Hi guys, this is Maggie Osama from Online Learning School, and this is the first tutorial in our Cinema 4D Basic Training series. In this tutorial, I'll give you a quick overview about the startup layout in Cinema 4D. Okay guys, so here we are in Cinema 4D. Once you open up Cinema 4D, this will be your layout, or what is called here the startup layout. I'll quickly introduce you to each component here so we could know the names of what we are going to discuss more in depth throughout the upcoming lectures. Okay, so here we have the menu bar. Then we have some controls here that we are going to discuss in depth moving forward in this basic training series. Then we have 4 buttons here, which are called the navigation buttons. Next we have another menu bar in the editor view, and it is used to set various tasks related to the viewports. We have 4 viewports which are displayed here in the view panel. We are going to know more about them later on. Next we have the layout drop-down. It has some options here used to switch between layouts, and as you can see, the default one is the startup layout that we have here. Okay, next we have the object manager. It should list any object added in the view panel here, and each object will be having a set of properties and settings which will be displayed in the attribute manager here. Then we have the coordinate manager. It contains fields that you can use to precisely model and manipulate an object in the view panel. And then we have here the material manager, something that we will discuss later on, but briefly, it is used to apply colors, gradients, textures, and more to our objects that we have added in the view panel. Then we have the animation bar. It contains controls for recording and playing animation. And last is the view panel here, where we will build and animate our 3D models. Perfect, so far so good. So this was a quick orientation and introduction to the startup layout of Cinema 4D. In the next lecture, we will be discussing the navigation buttons here in details. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to Online Learning School YouTube channel and hit the ring button so you could get notified once a new video released. Thank you so much for watching and looking forward to seeing you next lecture.